Something big is happening in the world of wearable technology, and most people are not paying attention yet. We are moving fast from just phones in our hands to intelligence right in front of our eyes. AI glasses are no longer experimental concepts. They are becoming real products designed for everyday use. Now in 2026, we are seeing a wave of AI glasses that combine full-color displays, assistance, and real-time information into one wearable experience. From live translation to navigation to sports tracking and productivity, even designs that can be customized to match individual personalities. These aren't concepts and prototypes anymore. These devices are about to hit the market and are starting to reshape how we interact with technology. In this video, we break down 10 insane AI glasses launching in 2026. In no particular order, the Maverick AI Pro by EverySight is built by a company with a background in advanced optics and aviation-style display systems. In simple terms, this is not a fashion-first device. It is designed more like a precision tool, focused on function, clarity, and real-world use. Instead of using the common AR display method that projects images through layered lenses, this model reportedly uses a full-color Sony OLED micro display. That simply means the visuals are generated from a very small, high-quality screen and reflected into your view, with the aim of making things clearer and reducing eye strain, especially outdoors. Now, the interesting part is how you interact with it. It uses eye tracking technology, which means the glasses can respond based on where you are looking. So instead of pressing buttons or touching anything, your focus becomes the control system. For example, looking at an object could trigger related information or AI assistance about it. In terms of comfort, it weighs around 47 grams, which is relatively light for smart glasses designed with a display. That matters because anything heavier becomes uncomfortable for long use. It also has a battery life of over 8 hours, which makes it realistic for a full day of use without constant charging. It also includes basic fitness tracking. Positioning it as more than just a display, it becomes a wearable assistant that can follow you through daily routines. Overall, this device shows a clear direction. AI glasses that are not just for showing information, but for understanding what you are looking at in real time. This next pair shifts things in a very different direction. Not power-focused, but everyday practicality. The INMO Go 3 is designed to look as close to normal glasses as possible. That's important, because one of the biggest challenges with smart glasses right now is that most of them still look like tech devices. This one is built to blend in. Instead of a full-color immersive display, it uses a dual monochrome display system. In simple terms, that means the visuals appear as clean greenish text or basic graphics inside your field of view. It's not just meant for entertainment or heavy visuals, it's meant for clear information like directions, notifications, or translations without distracting you from the real world. Now it gets interesting. One of its strongest use cases is real-time translation, where spoken or written language can be converted and shown instantly in your view. It also supports navigation, which means walking directions can appear directly in front of you without needing to pull out your phone. What makes it even more practical is the swappable battery system, designed so you can extend usage without waiting for charging. Think of it like replacing earbuds in a case. You can swap power modules and keep going. It also integrates support for multiple AI assistants, including systems like ChatGPT or Gemini, depending on configuration. This allows for voice-based interaction, summaries, and quick information retrieval. On top of that, it includes tools like call recording, transcription, and even teleprompter-style display modes, which makes it useful for both communication and content creation. Overall, the INMO Go 3 is not trying to impress with visuals. It's focused on being useful, discreet, and always available when you need information in real time. The idea of AI glasses becomes even more personal when you move from translation and navigation into something closer to memory itself. And that is exactly where the MemoMind smart glasses come in. Unlike the previous models that focus on showing information or assisting in the moment, this one is built around customization and personal data awareness. At its core, MemoMind allows users to choose different configurations, meaning the glasses are not locked into one fixed design. You can select frame styles, lens types, and even functionality levels depending on how you want to use them. Some versions focus on audio, others on visual display, and some combine both. But all of that is just the beginning. The more interesting part is the software side. It introduces what is described as a personal AI memory system. What that means is, the glasses are designed to observe patterns in how you use information throughout your day. Things like notes, reminders, schedules, and even frequently accessed content can be organized automatically. Over time, it builds a kind of adaptive dashboard showing you relevant updates such as tasks, calendar events, or personal insights without you actively searching for them. This is where it starts to feel less like a device you control and more like a system that learns how you think. Use cases here shift heavily into productivity. Instead of pulling out a phone to check information, the idea is that your daily structure is projected directly into your field of view in a simplified way. But that level of independence from a phone becomes even more extreme with the next device. A different direction appears when AI glasses stop depending on the phone entirely. That shift is exactly what the EIO1, also referred to as EIO AI glasses, is aiming for. This device is designed as a standalone wearable computer, meaning it is built to function on its own rather than acting as an extension of another device. It runs on an Android-based system, which allows applications to operate directly inside the glasses environment. Inside the hardware setup, it is reported to use a quad-core processor with 32 gigabytes of internal storage, along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. This combination is meant to handle everyday computing tasks without requiring constant external connectivity. One of its more notable inclusions is a 16-megapixel camera capable of recording video at up to 1080p and 60 frames per second. Paired with AI-enhanced microphones that reduce background noise, it is positioned for communication, recording, and real-time capture. The system also integrates AI tools such as Google Gemini for assistance and includes a software development kit that allows developers to build applications directly for the platform. Moving from experimental and concept-style devices, the focus now shifts towards something more practical, especially for everyday physical activity. And that is where the Amazfit Helio glasses come in. Amazfit is already known for wearable devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers, so this direction builds on what the company already does well, instead of trying to create a fully immersive AR experience. These glasses are designed around real-time fitness information. The display system here is expected to be more minimal, likely using a monochrome screen, which means the visuals are simple and easy to read rather than full-color graphics. This helps keep distractions low while focusing on performance. Another reported feature is built-in audio feedback, which can guide users through workouts, provide coaching prompts, or play music without requiring separate earbuds. Because of this design, the glasses are positioned more like a fitness companion rather than a general-purpose AI assistant. They are built for runners, cyclists, and people who want live performance tracking without breaking focus. And that practical focus becomes even more interesting when we move into full augmented reality systems built for everyday digital interaction. That shift toward real-world usefulness becomes much bigger once companies like Meta enter the space seriously. Because unlike smaller experimental brands, Meta is trying to build an entire ecosystem around smart glasses and augmented reality, and the latest Orion is a testament to that. Over the past few years, the company has already shown multiple prototypes and wearable projects connected to AR development. AR, or augmented reality, simply means digital information appearing on top of the real world instead of replacing it completely like virtual reality does. The next generation of Meta smart glasses, Orion, is expected to push that idea further with improved displays, AI assistance, and more natural interaction systems. Instead of constantly looking down at a phone, the goal is to bring information directly into your field of view while keeping your hands free. Reports around these upcoming devices suggest lighter designs, better battery efficiency, and stronger AI integration. That could include things like live navigation, instant messaging, visual reminders, or contextual information appearing while you move through real environments. Meta is also heavily investing in voice interaction and gesture controls. In simple terms, users may eventually be able to control functions by speaking naturally or using subtle hand movements instead of tapping screens. What makes Meta important in this conversation is scale. The company is not just experimenting with hardware, it is trying to shape how future digital interaction works across social media, communication, work, and entertainment. And once major ecosystems start competing for that future, attention naturally shifts toward the company many people expect to enter the space next: Apple. As soon as Apple enters a category, the conversation around that technology usually changes completely. And according to multiple industry reports, Apple is still expected to be developing its own smart glasses system behind the scenes, and we could see some of these prototypes in 2026. The glasses are expected to work closely with the broader Apple ecosystem, including iPhones, AirPods, and other connected products. That could allow things like messages, navigation prompts, reminders, or AI assistants to appear directly inside the user's field of view without needing constant phone interaction. Reports also suggest Apple is prioritizing privacy and lightweight design. That matters because one of the biggest concerns around smart glasses is whether people will actually feel comfortable wearing them in public throughout the day. The moment a company with Apple's influence commits to smart glasses, the industry could shift from experimentation into the concrete hardware market. As the conversation shifts away from brand-level speculation and into more concrete hardware directions, One of the most closely watched developments is coming from XREAL, a company already known for building some of the most advanced consumer AR glasses available today. The next-generation system, often referred to in reports as Project Aura, is expected to build on XREAL's existing approach to augmented reality, but with a much stronger focus on full spatial computing rather than just screen mirroring. Meaning, instead of simply projecting a floating screen in front of your eyes, the idea is to create a wider field of view, reportedly around 70 degrees, which makes digital objects feel more naturally placed in your environment. In simple terms, that means virtual screens would feel less like overlays and more like part of the physical space around you. Another major shift is the expected integration of Google's Gemini AI system, which would allow the glasses to understand context, answer questions, and assist in real time using voice interaction. Under the hood, the system is expected to use Snapdragon XR2 plus Gen 2 hardware, a chipset designed specifically for high-performance AR and VR tasks. This allows faster processing of visuals, tracking, and AI tasks simultaneously. Interaction is also expected to move beyond just voice. Reports suggest a combination of hand tracking and head movement controls, meaning users could navigate digital interfaces without physical controllers. Because of this setup, the glasses are designed to rely on a connected processing unit rather than doing everything on the glasses themselves. This helps keep the wearable lightweight while pushing heavy computation elsewhere. Overall, XREAL's direction represents a more mature version of AR glasses, one that is moving closer to true spatial computing, where digital content is not just seen, but naturally positioned within the real world. Moving from XREAL's spatial computing direction, the next major shift in this space comes from Samsung's reported entry into advanced AR wearables. Unlike smaller startups, Samsung's approach is expected to be deeply tied to its broader Galaxy ecosystem. According to reports, Samsung is developing multiple smart glasses prototypes, often referred to by internal names like Jinju and Heian. These are not confirmed consumer products yet, but they give a clearer idea of the company's direction. One of the most discussed aspects is the use of a lightweight AR display system, potentially combining micro-LED or micro-OLED technology. In simple terms, these are extremely small, high-resolution displays that can project sharp visuals directly into the lens while keeping the device compact. In terms of its design, Samsung is prioritizing a balance between performance and wearability, aiming for a lightweight frame that can still handle advanced processing through connected devices or companion hardware. Now, the next device is one that is already closer to consumer availability and focused heavily on everyday usability rather than long-term prototypes. Rokid's latest AI smart glasses, often referred to as the Rokid Style or next-generation wearable line, is one unlike any other. Unlike heavy experimental AR systems, Rokid's approach is built around lightweight, all-day wearable design. The goal is simple: make AI glasses that feel like normal eyewear, not a headset. One of the key reported features is a built-in camera system, typically based on a 12-megapixel sensor. In simple terms, this allows the glasses to capture photos, record video, and support real-time visual input for AI functions like object recognition or translation. The display system is expected to be a see-through AR layer, meaning information appears over the real world without blocking your natural view. This is usually used for things like navigation arrows, subtitles, notifications, or quick AI responses. On the performance side, Rokid glasses are designed with voice-first AI interaction, meaning users can ask questions, control functions, and receive summaries using natural speech instead of buttons or touch controls. This is often paired with AI assistants similar in capability to modern chatbot systems. Battery life is also a major focus, with reports suggesting extended usage supported through either optimized power management or optional charging accessories. Where this device stands out is practicality. Instead of trying to compete with full spatial computing systems, it focuses on making AI glasses useful in everyday situations: walking, commuting, traveling, or working. In simple terms, Rokid represents the closer-to-market version of this entire category, where AI glasses stop being futuristic concepts and start becoming tools people can actually wear daily. And with that, the picture of where smart glasses are heading becomes much clearer, from experimental prototypes all the way to real consumer-ready devices. Looking at all these AI glasses together, one thing becomes clear: this is no longer just future talk. It is a real race to decide how we will interact with technology in everyday life. On one side, you have experimental systems pushing full augmented reality and spatial computing, where digital objects exist inside your physical environment. On another side, you have practical devices focused on translation, navigation, fitness, and simple real-time information. And in between, companies are trying to solve the biggest challenge of all, making this technology light, affordable, and comfortable enough to wear all day. What makes this all exciting is not just the features themselves, but the direction they point toward. AI glasses are slowly moving from being extra gadgets to becoming potential replacements for certain phone interactions. Instead of constantly pulling out a device, information is starting to move directly into your field of view, responding to what you see, say, or do. Now the real question is simple. Which of these AI glasses would you actually pick when they hit the market? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy breakdowns like this on future tech and AI devices, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.